Hello everyone, this is Charles. Here today I'm going to introduce a program that can use as or acts like a calculator. So let's get started. Because we have to we have to gain the information from the users, so we have to use the package here. Also, because we are not using the graphs or the pictures or images to represent the operation symbols here, so we use numbers that can help us to determine which one the users want to use. So now I write it here. So 1 is add, 2 is subtract, 3 is multiply, 4 is divide, and 5 is the remainder. So if we used a number that if we ask the users to turn in numbers to us, then we can determine which one they want to use. And here, this is the sentence that we gain the information from the users. The first one is the first number entered and the operation the user wants to use. And then they enter the second number here, the second value here. So if you look at this sentence, the operation that the user wants to use will turn into a number, and we can use this number to determine which one they're gonna use. So here, use the if sentence to determine that if the users entered 1 when we're asking for the operation, that means he want us to add these two numbers here. So I write it here when O is equal to 1, so we will add this to number. Lucky enough, when it's 2 we subtract, when it's 3 we multiply here, when it's 4 we use and double, because this is they will divide the number into it. So use the double here and we will print it right here. 5 is the remainder. Okay, we can test it now. Let's get started. So let me show you here. So the first number I want to enter is 1. And I want it to add 2. Let's see what happens. So the result is 3. So if I want another one, we run again. Let's say 5, because 3 is multiplied. I enter 3. 5 multiplied 2, it will turn out 10. Yes, exactly. Let's try another one. Let's say 100 divided is 4, divided by 20, which will turn out 5. Yes, 5 here. Because it is double, so we have 2 digits in this value. Let's try another one. Let's say 27, and we should use the 5 as to show as the remainder of 4. Okay, the result is 3, because when 4 times 8 it will be 24, so the remainder is 3. So this is a very simple function, a very simple program that can perform as a calculator. Hope you will like it. Thank you.